Hello everybody, welcome once again at Patel's English classes Jhalawad and Jhalrapatan. Hope you all would be fit and fine and under the cloud 9. This is Kanu Patel and very first going to start the session. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. In this session today, we are going to talk about a trending talk that is between India and Bharat. So, should we adopt India name or should we adopt Bharat name or should we continue India or Bharat? Because recently in G20 summit, the president of India used the Bharat name. So, we all are going to enlighten about both names. हर स्टूडेंट इसके बारे में अपने अपने पॉइंट ऑफ और व्यूज़ रखने वाला है. सो वेरी फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक, शुड वी adopt Bharat or should we adopt India? So, which name is more suitable according to you? Yes.
Sir, according to me, India is a great name for us, and we should adopt India because if we will change our country name, so we will face a lot of difficulties and we will face a lot of loss.
Okay.
So it is also known as the
Okay. So, yes, which side do you?
I am in the favor of India
Okay.
because India is a very ancient name. Because when Herodotus and if I talk about Megasthenes and if I talk about Vasco da Gama, he searched about India. Very first in the 440 BC, Herodotus told us that it is India, that it is regarding it Sindhu River, which is called Indus Valley, etc.
Okay. So, in which favor do you?
Sir, I am the favor of India because India is very great and very great name. And suppose we change the India name into Bharat, we face so many losses or so many difficulty like banks names and railways and etc.
Okay. And what is your favor?
My favor is India.
Okay, your favor is India. Okay. Yes, what is your favor?
Sir, I am in the favor of Bharat because we are emotionally connected to the Bharat name. We consider Bharat as Mata and say Bharat Mata ki Jai. And we feel integrated and united when we use the word Bharat.
Yeah, very good point. We are connected with Bharat because we are emotional. Okay, emotionally, we are connected with Bharat. Yes, what about your favor?
Sir, I am the favor of Bharat because Bharat is a ancient name and it is a culture. So I am favoring the Bharat.
And what about your favor?
I am with Bharat.
Okay. And what about you?
I favor in the Bharat because Bharat is very ancient and culture and custom name.
Okay. So, some students are in the favor of India and some are in the favor of Bharat. So, yes, in which favor you are?
Bharat.
Bharat. Okay. So, very first, I asked you one thing. Now, my next question is that ki what will happen when we change the name from India to Bharat? When we moved from India to Bharat? And from where did we get the name Bharat and how did we get the name India? So, who is going to talk about this one? Yes.
Because India name gives British, the India name gives which people who kept for 200 years slavery and India name very using instead of Bharat, and our upcoming generation forget this name Bharat.
Yeah.
So
Really, very, very important point that this new upcoming generation have forgotten the name Bharat because it is ancient name. Yes, what is your point?
It is mentioned in Vishnu Puran 2500 years ago. The in the north of the oceans and in the south of the Himalayas, the land is called Bharatvarsh. Where the sun lived of Bharat.
Wow, great point. The land that is situated in the north of ocean and in the south of Himalaya, the land that is situated is called Bharat. Yes. What is your?
Sir, if we will change the name, so after changing our country name, so we will face a lot of difficulties because after changing the name, we should change our a lot of names like India Gate, Indian Railway, Indian Army, and a lot of banks like ICICI Bank of India and Reserve Bank of India. So it is also known as the wastage of money.
Okay, yes, what is, yes.
Sir, change in a law. Change in law. Changing is the law of nature because everything is a possible. We can try to this.
Yeah, yes, who is one, yes.
Sir, according to me, the changing is the law of nature, and if we will give the time to change the name gradually, then everything is possible. Sir,
Yes, yes, and yes.
This mention use not just mentioned one and two times, but mention was used any time. Article 52, Article of the 52 President of India, Article 63 Vice President of India, Article 124 Article Chief 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 Minister of India. Any names India's meet.
Okay, yes, what is your point?
Sir, my point is the India name given by Indus River, which flows northwest of a country. So, and I am in the favor of India. So because India is also, and my friend told that we change the India name into Bharat. We face lot of difficulty and lot of loss. So it is possible, but India is also our culture. It is also known as very. Thank you.
Okay, some students are talking that if we change the name, if we move from India to Bharat, then we will have to face a lot of difficulties. Yes, anybody want to talk about this session? Yes.
Yeah, this is the right thing that we can get to see a lot of difficulties if we change the name India to Bharat, because a lot of things has been named by the India, but gradually we can use to by this name. Gradually we can accept, everyone can accept this name, because as we can see a lot of things like Vande Bharat train Yojana is also named by the Bharat. So as we can see, a lot of things are the name with Bharat, are the name with the name of Bharat. So we can also adopt this name by the time. This is not a too much big issue that we can't adopt this name. And even the name India is given by the Britishers, and we can see that there is a smell of slavery in this name.
Yeah.
Because in the guide of Cambridge University, on the page number 786, we get to see a meaning of India. That and this meaning is in Hindi is name Gawar or Bewkoof. This is a bad thing, and this is showing that slavery vibes. This is giving that slavery vibes. So we should change this name, and I think the name Bharat is emotionally connected with us, because it is a religious name firstly, and a lot of things we can admire like about India is about the name India is not too good for this subcontinent as Bharat, because Bharat is emotionally connected with us. The name Bharat is emotionally connected with us.
So, what is the proper meaning of Bharat? What is the proper meaning of Bharat? Yes.
Bharat made two words, Bha and Rat. Bha means light of knowledge and Rat means engaged. That means proper means of search in knowledge.
Okay. Okay. As recently the girl told that the Bharat mean ज्ञान को सर्च करना, ठीक है ना, ज्ञान की खोज. This is ठीक है, and this is also an ancient name. But why we are using this name, and why did we not focus this name earlier? We should adopt the name Bharat very first. If Bharat is the best, then why we are going with India, and why a lot of things are on base India?
According to me, sir, as my friends told that India is not ancient name, Bharat is an ancient name. But if I talk about the Mesopotamia Sabhyata, if I talk about the Sindhu Sabhyata, if I talk about Harappa Sabhyata. It is in it there is a name we found that Megasthenes also told that it is a part of river. It is not a sign of slavery. According to me, the India name came out in the Asia first 440 before era. That's why I can say that India is also named an ancient name. India is not today's name. India is not given by Britishers, according to me.
Okay, some are talking that India is best, some are talking that Bharat is more best than India. But there is one question, why the President of India and why the government of India recently used Bharat name in G20 summit? Yes, anybody want to speak? Yes.
Sir, in G20 meeting, the 20 developed countries came into the India, and this is the best opportunity for us to represent our culture and religion and tradition. So the president used the word Bharat.
Yes. This is really good, but what? Yes.
India talk use the moon Chandrayaan 3. Just the name India. India use name India. India search research organization use Chandrayaan 3.
Yeah. Recently we India launched ठीक है Chandrayaan 3 and that is launched by ISRO. So the first number Indian Space Research Sentence. Yes, yes. I will cut it. So recently India launched Chandrayaan 3. So would you like to talk something about that?
Yes, sir. The Chandrayaan 3 is launched by ISRO. The ISRO naming is India Research Organization. So that is.
The full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, and the first name is also belong to India. ठीक है. So should we proud the both name or not? Yes.
According to me, it is not a play of kid. Because if we will change India to Bharata, we will face many problems. We have to face economy problems. We have to face population problem, and we have to face many problems. Like this, we have to change Indian Railway to Bharat Railway. We have to change Indian Airlines to Bharat Airlines. How will we face? And we have to change also note's name, because on the note it is written that Reserve Bank of India. Then how we will change the notes? Because we face many problems in 2016 when the Narendra Modi banned 500 and 1000 note in India. That's why I am favoring the India.
Okay. So yes.
The name of many countries have been changed. They had been to their old names, just like Madras to Chennai, Bombay to Mumbai, Bangalore to Bangalore. So why not? So why cannot we make India to Bharat?
Yeah, this is right, because there are a lot of country like Sri Lanka had another name, but now we are called the name country Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Indonesia, a lot of yes.
This is not a big issue that why we can't change this name, because gradually we can do this. By the next paint of Indian Railway on the rail, we can change this name by the Indian Railway to Bharatiya Railway. This is not a big issue. Or this is not even this is also not a big issue to remove the name India on the notes. We can also do this. But the name Bharat is more connected with the India, more connected with the emotions of Bharatiyas.
Actually, I think you want to tell that ki sir, do not change the name in suddenly. Okay, but gradually we can change this. Yeah, this is yes. What do you want to talk about this?
Sir, I want to talk about that a lot of countries have two names like China and China, Rus and Russia, and a lot of countries. So why we should change the name? We use both names, India and Bharat.
Yes, would you like to talk something in Hindi? Yeah.
भारत हमारे देश की संस्कृति है, प्रसिद्ध है, मतलब
हम इसी से जाने जाते
हाँ
हैं.
इसी से जाने जाते हैं.
Okay. Yeah. हाँ.
Sir, my friend
Stop there.
my friend say that the India, Rus, Russia, China, China. So, but in China and China, the same pronunciation and same sentence. But India and Bharat have different pronunciation and different sentence.
Yeah, really good point. It is really good point. Yes. Yeah. Huh?
According to me, if I talk about the change into India to Bharat, we can adopt both names because we should focus on poverty, our Indians poverty, unemployment, not on this cheap topic. According to me, we should enlighten the focus on unemployment. We should open new factories so that people can get employment.
But at the international level, what name is more suitable?
The name, I think the name Bharat is more suitable on international level. Even in the first meeting of Constitution, M.V. Kamath talked about this on the date of 18 September 1950. This is the date when he said that which name is more appropriate for the country. I think the name Bharat is more appropriate because that time India was ruled by the Britishers. So this is not so that time this is not possible to change the name Bharat. But now it is possible and gradually we can do this.
Okay, so very first that as he suggested that India to Bharat is more suitable, but why we are using the Indian name frequently just after the independence? Could we change the name very first while getting independence? Yeah.
It is said that whenever any country occupied other country and its culture, very first the changed its name and identity. The same things happened with Bharat. But since the day of independence, the name of this country should have Bharat, but did not do it. I think that why did not it happen? And now it is happening. It is happening. Let it happen.
Yeah, really good. Yes.
Sir, at that time we are the slave of Britishers. So we have the low economic condition that time. But today we are the fifth largest economic condition by GDP and third largest by purchasing power priority. So sir, we can afford this cost.
Yeah, really. Yes. Uh-huh.
Sir, institution and organization have used India panel called Indian Army, Indian National Park, Indian
Railway.
Railway, and Indian petrol pump.
Right.
Okay.
Yes. What is your views? Anybody want to? Huh. Yes.
Swami Vivekananda had said that morning only when you woke up, जब तुम जागोगे तभी सवेरा है.
Yeah. Really, very good point.
My question, we always says Bharat Mata ki jai, so you can say India.
Yeah, it is also very good question because as some students suggested that we are emotionally connected with Bharat word. Yeah.
In the first article of first constitution in the constitution it is written that India, that is Bharat. We can't change our name because we have to take permission to WTO. We have to take permission WRS. That's why.
Manoj recently told that we have to take permission from the other bodies, but this is our own matter. Why should we need to take the permission? Yes. Want to say something? Anybody? Yeah.
A very few people says Bharat and more people says India. So why?
Yes.
So we can change the article number first as we change the article 370.
Yeah, really good point. We can change the article because this is our own issue. Yes.
But sir, according to me, my friend told that we used to say India, Bharat Mata ki Jai. So we will use India is great. So India is also great name, and India is belong to modern culture. So
Okay. Yeah. Anybody want to encounter?
Actually, sir, we don't have to need the change our culture. We have a great culture. So I think we should not we shouldn't have to change the culture, and the name Bharat is more appropriate because as we can see, and as the name changed in the notice of G20, like by the president, a lot of political parties said that this is a conspiracy theory against their party, the new alliance named India, INDIA, against from the INDA ruling alliance. But the spokesperson of NDA named Samit Patra said that this is not a big issue. This is just a thing that we should change very earlier, and we are doing this because there is a saying in Hindi that jab jago tabhi savera, and this is not a bad thing to change this name even now. And even we know that why everyone is talking about the India, because from starting we are learning this name India in books, in songs, in everywhere, like on the agencies, on the national agencies like ISRO, or on the national monuments like India Gate, a lot of things where we get to see this name. And that is why people used to this name, but by the gradually we can also used to with this name, Bharat.
Yeah, really, it is really very good point that we are habitant, we are habitual with this name, but we will going to change the name, then we will more comfortable with this name, as we are talking about Vande Bharat this way. Yes.
Name is India names is changed, but India laws is 20 years reverse. India कितने पीछे जा सकता है?
Okay, one question is raised that if you will change the name, then India will go, ठीक है, 20 years ago, ठीक है. So is this issue good? Is this issue right or not?
Are recognized as India in the world, not Bharata. That's why I am thinking that India and Bharat, they both are good names.
Okay. But my question is to you. Actually, we are not doing argument here that we should have the name India and we should completely ban the name India, or we should adopt the name Bharat. We are just trying to enlighten. We are just trying to talk about, and we just trying to know about the facts of both names. Okay, so my question is to everybody ki if anybody will talk with you, and if everybody can ask you a question ki please shut up your mouth because you do not have your own name, your name is given by the foreigners that ruled you, then in with that situation, then what would be your answer? What would be your answer? Yes, anybody want to tell? Now we do not have any answer. We do not have any answer. One another thing, mostly people have two names, ठीक है? Okay, like one boy named Shivam, but his name is Mickey at home. Okay, so Mickey name is suitable at the childhood age, but is not suitable at the adult age. Okay, yes, huh?
You are absolutely right, sir. That by the maturity, we have to change our name. You can't spell anyone by the name of its childhood, because as well as this is the same case. This is the same scenario with this subcontinent. We should also change this name Bharat to Bharat, because on the national level, as you said, that on the national level, on the international level, if someone asks that, how can you be a guru of this world, because your own name is not yours.
Yeah.
This is also given by the another person. So how can we trust on you that you are a very good man, or you are a guru? How can we trust? So how can anyone believe on our? This is the thing that we should change this name. This is why I am in the support of Bharat.
Yeah, really good point. Yes, Vani, want to talk about the name? Do you have any answer? Yes.
According to me, as my friend told that India is are recognized as a Bharat. I am agree with him, but I am thinking that it is my suggestion that when will we change India to Bharat, we will get lost, as everybody told that. But because India is a, my friend told that India is not our name. According to me, India is also our name because Sindhu River is also part of us. But it is not. Sindhu River is not our part nowadays. But if I talk about Akhand Bharata, Akhand Bharata, now India is not Akhand Bharata because in Afghanistan, in Purvi, in East Pakistan, which is called Bangladesh, it is not part of India. And upper side we can see Myanmar and the plateau of Tibet, half is over. And we can also see POK, but it is not our part. What will we can do? First, you can combine all things. Then you should change your name India to Bharata.
Okay. So, yeah, at last, yes.
सर, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ने कहा था भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, ये एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। अटल जी ने कहा था कि
ये वंदन की
ये वंदन की धरती है, ये अभिनंदन की धरती है, ये अर्पण की धरती है, ये तर्पण की धरती है। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है और इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए शंकर है। यदि हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो भारत के लिए। और मरने के बाद भी अगर हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज़ आएगी, भारत माता की जय। समझे इंग्लिश में बोलना है, रुकना है। Atal Bihari Vajpayee had said that India is not a piece of land. India is a living national leader. Atal ji had said that this is the land of worship. This is the land of congratulations. This is the land of dedication. This is the land of oblation. It's a river is Ganga for us. It's a pebble is Shankar for us. If we will live for this Bharat, and if we die for this Bharat, and after that anybody listen our ashes, only one voice will become Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Yeah, very good point. Very good point. Yes.
Sir, as my friend said that. Sir, according to me, this is the first step of our Prime Minister to become a Akhand Bharat. So gradually we can grab all the countries in one country.
Yeah.
As the topic covered by my friend, he said that we get that name by the river Indus. But the Indus is also an English name.
Yeah,
The main name, the Hindi name, which is Bharat. And the name Hindi name is Hindu, and by the people who are living near to the Sindhus, they said Hindu, and that is why we are Hindus. And this is the also name of Bharat, that Hindustan is also name of Bharat. So we should accept the name of Hindi, because Hindi is our mother tongue, as well as we are talking in English. But this is a thing that we are talking in English. This is another thing that we are talking in English. But the emotion we can express. That is we can express, and that language is English. That language is Hindi. So we should accept the name of Hindi, like Bharat, Hindustan. These are the name which are emotionally connected with us.
Really? Yes.
Sir, my friend telling that it is not a Hindi language, as Ramayana is our language. Ramayana is a part of Sanskrit and our language. So we should not read the Ramayana. We should not study about the Grantha. We should not study about the Mahabharata. What are you telling? Please focus on your word. That's why you are telling that Sindhu is a part of Hindu. Many names of India, but we can't adopt all names like Hindustan, Jambudvipa, Aryabharat, etc. But we can't adopt. That's why I am telling that India and Bharat both are named good in their.
Yes.
And sir, now we all are living in Rajasthan. So the national animal of Rajasthan is the Great Indian Bluster. So if we will change our country name, so we want to change our national animal name, Great Bharat Bluster. So it is not suitable for our national our national animal. So I think that India is also a great name because there are a lot of things named India, 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 and the Rajasthan national animal also we used to say Great Indian Bluster.
Yeah. Would you like to tell something about India or Bharat? Okay. Yeah.
Sir, my question is see great Narendra Modi ji. he कुछ sometime seem great Narendra Modi ji India proud but why so why अब क्या हुआ
Really? हाँ.
Sir, I have one question that so many are saying that Bharat is our culture and India is not our culture, it is a English word. But in our India, so many are Western dresses and so many things that are given by foreigner we use. So why are we use these things? We are cancel means not adopted these things. Stop these things. So why are you saying that India is not our culture? That so many things that are not culture, Western dresses and so many etc. things.
But changing is the way of life.
No, sir, changing is a way of life, but they are saying that in Bharat is our culture and India is a one English word and given by foreigners. So the Western dresses and made in China, made in Japan, so many companies. Why we stop them? Why are we not stop them?
Actually, all things are happening just because we are now become global. ठीक है ना? That is why. Yes. Would you like to talk anything? Yeah.
The thing is this is not a too big issue to accept that another. Yes,
Please continue.
this is not a too big issue to accept the another things like another culture because where it has been written that you can't adopt the another culture because of the globalization. It is a normal thing to wear another culture's clothes. But the main thing is that we don't have to forget our culture.
Yeah.
This is the main thing. So there is no big issue to accept the another culture's thing. But the main issue that we should accept our culture, and this is the first move towards this thing that we have to change our name India to Bharat.
Yeah. Really. Actually, it is up to you. और ये आप ही लोगों के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि हमें इंडिया नाम होना चाहिए या फिर हमारा जो नाम है वो भारत होना चाहिए. हम केवल यहाँ पर डिस्कशन करने के पर्पज़ से बैठे हुए हैं और हमारा यही पर्पज़ है और हमारा कोई पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा नहीं है ऐसा कि वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज द नेम एंड वी आर इन द फेवर, बट वी मस्ट try to enlighten our culture also because our culture is our real identity. Okay. So should we finish the talk? Okay. Jai Bharat.